Okay, we're gonna be talking about the metric system again. We're not gonna get away from it. You're never gonna get away from it. You always have to stick to the metric system. You're doomed to follow it. Anyways, we're gonna do some examples of converting kilometers to other units of length inside of the metric system. So let's say I have 1 kilometer and I want to know how many centimeters that is. Well, let's go back to the chart. We see that kilometers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Centimeters is 5 down from kilometer. So I start with this 1, and then I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put my thing right there, and now I know that a kilometer is equal to 100,000 centimeters, which makes sense because the name centimeter means 100. So 100,000. Okay. Now, if I wanted to turn 48 kilometers, find out how many into meters, how many meters are in 48 kilometers. I'll have to go look at the thing. Kilometers is right there. So meters is 1, 2, 3 down. So put my 1 there. Put my 48 there. And then put 1, 2, 3. 48,000 meters. So 48 kilometers is 48,000 meters. And then if I wanted to figure out what, let's say, 12 kilometers, how many decameters is 12 kilometers? Well, I got to look at my thing. Decameters is 1, 2 down from kilometers. So I put down my 12 and then go 1, 2. Oh wait, I don't need to put I don't put the thing there. I put it right there, and I have 1,200 decameters. Okay, now let's say I have 20.8 kilometers. Ooh, there's a point. There's a decimal there. How is this going to change? And I want to find out how many. Let's say, decimeters is. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So decimeters is 4 down. And remember, we don't do this, and then we put 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros behind the decimal point. We move the decimal point. That's what it's all about. It's about moving the decimal point over here, and this becoming 1, and then we move the decimal point again, 2, and again 3, and then again 4. At which point we have, in fact, I should draw the decimal point right here on all these, because we're moving the decimal point down. We have 2, 20, and now we're not going to put the decimal point right here because we moved it down. So then we keep the 8, and then we keep another 0 because we moved the decimal point down again. Then we moved the decimal point down again. So we had another 0. Then we moved the decimal point down again. So we had another 0, and then we put the decimal point. See, the decimal point was right here, but since decimeter is 4 down from kilometer, the decimal point was right here. Decimeter was 4 down from kilometer. We moved the decimal point from right here to right here. That's 1. Right here, that's 2. Right here, that's 3. And right here, that's 4. And that's the conversion. Okay. And yeah, so that's how we do the conversions. Kilometers, other ones. Thanks, cool.